Do you want to bake perfect macarons every time? Today we're tackling a favorite sweet treat and turning you into a macaron maestro. We're sharing 5 crucial tips to ensure your macarons turn out flawless every single time. Let's dive right into these 5 indispensable tips for baking perfect macarons every time. First, always use almond flour. It's a key ingredient, crucial for achieving that light, airy texture and delicate flavor we love in perfect macarons. Its fine, smooth consistency helps create the signature glossy shell. So remember, almond flour is your best friend when it comes to baking macarons. Secondly, sift your ingredients. This isn't just busy work, it's crucial for baking success. Sifting helps remove any unwelcome lumps and incorporates air into your mixture, leading to a smoother, more manageable batter. So, ensure you sift your ingredients for that smooth, lump-free batter. A third tip, perfect the macaronage technique. This is the art of mixing your ingredients just right, aiming for a lava-like consistency. Imagine molten rock flowing down a volcano, smooth but with substance. It's a delicate dance of the spatula, not too fast, not too slow. This technique is critical as it directly impacts the texture of your macarons, influencing their iconic smooth tops and ruffled feet. Master the macaronage technique, and you're halfway to perfect macarons. The last 2 tips revolve around proper baking and cooling. Baking macarons at the right temperature is key. Too hot and they'll brown and crisp too quickly. Too cool and they'll be undercooked. Aim for a sweet spot around 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, allow them to cool properly before filling. This prevents the filling from melting and ensures a crisp exterior with a soft interior. Remember, patience in baking and cooling equals perfect macarons. And there you have it, 5 essential tips for baking perfect macarons every time. Remember to use almond flour, sift your ingredients, master the macaronage technique, and pay attention to baking and cooling. Give these a whirl. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips.